Whoa, this is amazing! Yo, what's up everybody, this is the HB channel, and for today I bring you this great stuff. This is the Lex 626. It's a phone with 4GB RAM, 32GB memory, 2100 mAh of battery. It's not the best, but it's still good. I mean, this phone, guys, it's really amazing. I bought it for less than 150 bucks from AliExpress, aka Alibaba. Let's take a look to the phone because I already opened the box and I use it for sometimes to test it. Here it is, the phone. As we can see here, the Touch ID, the camera, flash, the front camera. We have here the cable of the charger. It's type C, as we can see. And here they have a special thing in the USB cable. It's a double. You can put it like this or like this. It doesn't matter. It actually works in the both ways. And for here we have the adapter of the jack. The phone, it doesn't contain the jack headphones thing. So for here we have the two speakers. So here is the phone, guys. It works very good, as you can see. Okay, for the camera, this is the test of the behind video, and this is a test for the front video. It's a very good phone for a very low price. If you want to buy it, just buy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and peace.